Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I have another advent calendar for you guys. If you guys want to know what I got in my Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty advent calendar, then keep on watching. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome all. Welcome new, welcome old, welcome everyone. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Aisha, hence the name Aisha Loves Makeup. I love makeup. So I do lots of makeup subscription boxes, so I get to try lots of new products out. And it's half the price when you do makeup subscription boxes. That's the majority of the things that I do on my channel, but I also do lots of makeup hauls. I do advent calendars for the holiday season, and I love mystery boxes. Anything that feels like it's Christmas and I'm opening boxes under the tree is like that thrill of like opening something you don't know what you're gonna get. If you enjoy presents, you enjoy opening makeup, then subscribe to my channel, become a part of my YouTube family, and without further ado, let's see what's in this advent calendar. Alrighty, so most of the advent calendars are only 12 days. I haven't really seen a lot of ones that have 25 days, but I'm super excited to see what I got in here. So let's dig in. Do you guys like Trader Joe's? Like, I love like Trader Joe's. I'm just saying, Trader Joe's girl. But I never really go into like the health and beauty aisle. So what I like about this is if you like something in here, you could actually go and replenish it in Trader Joe's in their beauty, skincare / makeup aisle. So let's see what I got in here. Alrighty, so it's kind of hard for you guys to see the numbers. Let me see if I put the box really close. Like the numbers, like for example, this is number 3. But like I have to put like my box super close for you. If from far, you guys are not going to be able to see the numbers. So I probably won't really show you guys the numbers because you're not going to be able to see it anyway. Unless I'm like, here's number 3. Like I'm not gonna, no. So I'll just show you guys from a distance and we'll see together. So this one is number 1. I know you guys can't see it, but I can see it. And trust me, it's number 1. So let's see what number 1 is. Number 1, ooh, I got a toasted marshmallow shimmer body wash. Yes. Yes. Let me smell. Ooh, this smells so good. Smells like toasted marshmallows, just like the description. Alrighty, number 2. I hate when the numbers are not in order. For anybody making advent calendars out there, do us all a favor. Can you guys just put the numbers in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12? Because it's like 1, 2. Like they're all over. I mean, I guess maybe they just want it to be fun and you're like looking for the next one, but like it's not that serious and it's just annoying just looking for it. So that's just my opinion, my feedback. But let's see what's in door number 2. That's door number 2. In door number 2, I got a shampoo, conditioner, body wash. And these are all from like Trader Joe. It does say Trader Joe on the top. Right there. Let's see. Shampoo and conditioner, body wash. All for 1, it says. Doesn't smell. It smells like kind of like I don't know, like that hospital smell. Like I can't like a medicated smell. Not too thrilled about that body wash scent, but that is a second item I got. Number 3. Number 3 is this tiny little door right here. It's hard to open with my nails. So this is number 3 right here. I'm trying to get it out. Number 3 is coconut body butter from Trader Joe's. Yes, it's winter time. Your girl could definitely appreciate some body butter. Oh my god, this smells heavenly. Oh my god. Definitely gonna be using this body butter. And what I like is you get to try all this stuff from Trader Joe, and if you like it, you could get the full size if you want. Sometimes I don't like getting like full sizes of stuff because if I don't like it, then I waste it. And this is number 4 up here. Let's see what's in number 4. Ooh, Cherry Blossom Hydrating Hand Cream. That's number 4 right here. I love the smell of cherry blossom. Ooh, I just accidentally squeezed it out, so I guess I'll use it now. I don't need any hand moisturizer, but I'll use it. Ooh, it definitely smells like cherry blossom. Yes. Ooh, this smells really good. Yes. Smells like candy. This is what the packaging looks like. And then if you guys are not familiar with, anyone who's not familiar with Trader Joe's, everything's like all natural or organic. Most of the stuff is like vegan. Like, it's a very clean, like, I love Trader Joe's and Whole Foods, like I said. Like, it's like 2020, you never know what's in your food, and with all the chemicals people putting in your stuff, I'd rather get like all like organic stuff if I can. I mean, obviously if you eat out sometimes, you know, you're not gonna be able, always stick to that. But that's one of the things I love about Trader Joe's. Alrighty, so those are the 4 things. Let's go to number 5. So far, I love everything in my box. This one didn't smell too nice, but I like everything in here I would use. So number 5, which you guys, I'm sure you guys can't see. So why do I keep showing you guys? Number 5 is this little thing in here. What is this? What is this? That probably wasn't a good idea to put on hand cream when I'm trying to open up these things because I could barely get the stuff out with my nails. Oh, this is a Clementine body butter. Yes. Oh my god, guys. Oh my gosh. This smells bomb diggity. It smells just like, oh my goodness, yes. So I got a Clementine one and I got a coconut body butter. Super, 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 super excited. I love body butters. So very excited for that. So number 12 right here looks kind of like this. So I can guarantee you it's like another body butter. That's my educated guess on that. Number 6 is big. All of this is number 6. So let's see what I got. Sorry I can't open it facing the camera. I have to put it down because my hands are like slippery right now. Oh, I got a face mask, a vitamin C face mask. Let's see here. Oh, it's like stuck to the box. Oh, there we go. Finally got it on. It is a vitamin C face mask, which vitamin C is very good for your skin. It helps with like brightness. So that's what it looks like. Everything says Trader Joe's on the top. So I guess everything in here is all like the Trader Joe's brand, which they're smart. They're gonna obviously, it's not like different stuff curated from different beauty stuff in Trader Joe's. It's all of their actual brand. All right, so that was number 6. Number 7. I guess I won't. Oh, what is this? Oh my goodness! Yes. I got a gingerbread sugar body scrub. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm super excited for all of this stuff. Let me smell it. I know this is going to smell heavenly. Oh, they have a seal on it, but I'm definitely going to use this. So we're going to open her up. Oh my god, guys. This smells heavenly. Smells heavenly. Super excited for this gingerbread body scrub. I'm super happy for this advent calendar. You get to try beauty stuff. Not necessarily makeup, but like skincare, body, healthcare stuff. Very happy for this stuff. So that was what number was that? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're up to number 8. Number 8. Just bear with me, guys, because of my nails. Number 8 is a rose facial oil. Yes! Rose facial oil. I bet you that smells heavenly too. Oh, everything smells so good. Maybe because it's organic, the stuff is just so pungent. Very excited for this. That was number 8. Number 9 is this big little contraption right here. Let's see what's in number 9. I got a Trader Joe's moisturizing face lotion, SPF 15. It's by the brand Enrich. Alrighty, what else? I have 2 more left. I have number 10 and actually 3 more. So number 10 is blueberry acai. Is that how you say it? Acai facial scrub. I hope I said that right. Don't come for me, guys. Don't come for me. I'm not on here to be a spelling bee champion. Blueberry facial scrub. Wow. How is that gonna? I'm loving everything. Just loving everything. This smells like blueberry pancakes. Oh my god, guys. Ooh. I'm gonna be doing my skincare and body products and being in heaven. The next thing is number 11. Let's see what I got in here. I got an almond cream lip balm. That's what it looks like. Oh, it smells heavenly. Everything smells heavenly. Like, literally. I feel like I'm in heaven. It says Trader Joe's #1 almond cream moisturizing lip balm. So I guess this is something very popular that they sell in their store. And then last but not least, number 12. Alright, let's see what's in the last box. Last box. Let's see here. Womp, womp, womp. What is this? Oh, no, I thought it was like a sponge. But it is a sugar cube. An exfoliating sugar cube. Feels like one of those cubes like you put in your coffee. Feels like that. And that's all she wrote, guys. Everything is everything's all out of here. But let's quickly review everything that I got in here. Alrighty, so I got an exfoliating sugar cube, a blueberry and acai facial scrub. I got a cherry blossom hand cream. I got a coconut body butter. I got a Clementine body butter. I got a rose facial oil. I got a almond and cream moisturizing lip balm. I got a shampoo and conditioner body wash. I got a toasted marshmallow shimmer body wash. I got a gingerbread body scrub. And I got a moisturizing facial lotion. And I got a face mask. Those were the 12 things I got from this advent calendar. I got this like 2 weeks ago, so I honestly have no idea how much this advent calendar was. I will put it up above. I'll Google it and find out how much I paid for it, and I'll put it up above in case any of you guys want it. I don't know if they're still gonna even have it. I got it 2 weeks ago. I'm so sorry, guys. Don't judge me. Like I said, I've been busy. Your girl has been booked and busy. So hopefully they still have it and you guys can get it if you're interested in it. And I don't even know how much I paid. It wasn't expensive. I want to say like 20 something. I want to say, I don't know. We'll find out together and I'll put it put it up above. And that's really about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. If you did like my video, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you like my channel and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and become a part of my YouTube family. love and miss you guys. I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.